This is DC Denton Crow Crusader. It's the 7th of December. It's cold, cloudy, somewhat nasty. Put Charlie's stuff in my pocket, as usual. And we'll get moving on here, since this is a dialysis day for Bryant. Looks like they're doing garden work over at the school, which scares away all the crows for sure. So here's our little gulls are here. By the way, around 10 o'clock, before I get over here, the gulls are already by my apartment house, and they're sitting on top of my apartment house. Amazing, right? Amazing. They know where I live. They know where I live, and they wait for me, as if to say, you know what? Get your little rear end over here. It's, you know, we're hungry. Okay, move along. But it's absolutely incredible. I didn't realize gulls were so smart, but they are. I've learned a lot about gulls this year. I didn't pay so much attention, only about their patterns of movement the last several years. Let me get this under my arm. Let me get this under my arm, and let's put this out first. Oh my gosh. Okay. We got pigeons here today. As soon as I'm done putting this out here, I will I'll show you the pigeons there on the rooftop of the church. Look at that. That's the pigeons from the pigeon handler. That's what that is. We got a crow on the field, but it's not Charlie. Oh, that's a Migros employee. Scared the birds. We've got a good number of cat food here. That's because Neely was very active last night. Put out the peanuts in the shell. For our little crows. There we go. I don't know if I see Charlie anywhere. Listen to that. I don't see Seymour today. Do not see Seymour. I don't see Charlie. You would think Charlie would come down right now. The little crow raving, trying to get in there and get something. Yet they have it within them, the crows, to really fight back. Because they're stronger and they're smarter. Oh, look at that. Look at that gull there. He's different. Look at the spots on his tail. What kind of gull is that, Anita? Look at it. He's getting the grain ball. Look at him. He's got spots on his head, and is that a young storm gull? And look at his tail feathers. They're different. And he's larger. And his legs are a different color, and so is his feet. They're gray. What kind of gull is that? And it looks like there's two of them. And they're very vocal. Listen to that. I got a pretty good close-up of them. See that? Look, he's working on that drain ball there. See if you can identify me, Nita. I'll post this video today. In fact, I see at least 2 of those birds. Look at that. But no Seymour. Don't see any Seymour. Okay. Move on here. See if Charlie comes. Where's our little Charlie? Where's Charlie? Honey, where are you? It's very cold. Charlie should be here. Where's our little Charlie? Charlie's got a lot of good treats here, but I don't see him. At least not on the field. There's always less and less crows. I'm waiting for Charlie to come up to me, but so far he's not coming. He didn't come last night. We waited until darkness for him, but he didn't come. I don't know who's making that noise. Oh. Mr. Goon from Hayfully's there. He's clapping his hands. There he is, having his smoke break. Okay. Yeah. By the way, he is one of the men who held me against the wall. See that? Do you see that, YouTubers? I was exactly right. Look at him. Such an idiot. Wow. Get a life, Goon. Mr. Goon, get a life, please. I guess his life is working at Hayfully, Loser Company, and smoking. I guess that's his life. So, yeah. What else is new? See, you hear that? You hear that? Idiot. Yeah. But, yeah, I'm wondering where Charlie is. Where's Charlie? Why is Charlie not coming down here? I wonder if that's Charlie on the field. Does that look like Charlie there? Hard to see from here. Charlie! Here, Charlie! Come, Charlie! Come, Charlie! 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 No. If he was hungry, he would come land right at my feet right now. If Charlie was here. I don't know why that idiot beeped his horn. I have no idea. There's a bird with a peanut in his mouth. Waiting to see if Charlie will come down. Oh, something they saw they didn't like. Okay, well, we'll wait here for a minute and see if Charlie comes down. I don't know what to say. He's, you know, he didn't show up last night. He did show up yesterday morning, but he was very nervous. Of course, he got a lot to eat on Sunday, but today's Wednesday already, and he did show Monday. So, yeah, I don't know what to say, but Charlie should have shown up. It's pretty cold and nasty out there. No Charlie. I don't even see him anywhere.
I don't think I saw him. Of course, there's a lot of crows out there.
Yeah. So we'll sit in the car a minute and see if Charlie shows up on the hood of the car. He might show up. So I'm going to end the video now. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader, over and out. Mr. Goon, look, Mr. Goon went back into his building. Smoke breaks over. So, yeah. Okay. We'll see you later today.